Check it.
All right, got KFC today. Got the snack wraps, 2 for $5. Got the original one, which is just mayonnaise, pickles, and the spicy has pickles and then spicy mayo and coleslaw. So that's the only difference. Just spicy mayo, coleslaw on the spicy, mayonnaise and pickles on the regular. Not gonna get some fries up in me because I refuse to get the fries at KFC.
What Big Ralphie don't know, the fries are amazing.
Because I love the potato wedges. I don't know why they got rid of that. To me, those are the best things. I love potato wedges, and they stole them from me. So, KFC, if you're hearing this, bring back the potato wedges, please. Get some water up in me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. Thank you, everybody. Let's go ahead and get into this. This is the regular one. This is the classic.
Big Ralphie, big Ralphie, big Ralphie, big Ralphie.
It's not too bad. Go ahead and dip this in some buffalo ranch. Buffalo ranch is good. Now let's try a spicy one. Get that up in me.
Big Ralphie.
Got a little kick, but not really, not much. Let's try it with the buffalo ranch. Alright, out of the two, I would have to go with the classics, the better one. They're both not bad. They're decent size for 2 for $5. The spicy one, I would give about 6, and the classic 7.5. The classic had a good ratio of mayonnaise on it, and you can taste the flavor of the chicken. Like, because it's just mayonnaise and pickles, whereas the spicy, this had too much going on with the coleslaw, the spicy mayo, but you can't go wrong with the classic. Add a couple of dips of that buffalo ranch is pretty good. But yeah, I would do spicy is 6, classic 7.5. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Again, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.